Hi, this is Joe Gallant from Rivertown Honda. Um, I know I told you I'd go over some details, but I thought I'd also send you this video if possible to just kind of give you a better view of it. I know you're on the other side of the state, so you want a little bit better look of it. So here it is. It's a 2004 Honda Odyssey. It's an EXL model, so it's got the leather, power sliding doors, alloy wheels. I mean, the exterior condition is in great shape, and you really don't see any nicks or any scratches anywhere. No body damage at all. The only portion I do see is down here. There's a little something, looked like there's some paint, had some touch up on it. And other than that, it looks like it's in great shape. I'll start opening the back here. Condition of the back here seems to be in great shape. A couple of scratches on the side and the plastic there, but nothing major. All the leather and interior seems to be in pretty good shape. No stains. Power sliding doors. Leather seems to be in immaculate shape. I mean, to me, it looks like there really wasn't anyone that sat back here. Could have been an older couple or something and didn't have kids. Power windows, power locks. Also comes equipped with heated seats and power seats. Again, leather in the front. I mean, really immaculate. Center tray here. Well, that was the 2004 Honda Odyssey. As you see, the vehicle's actually in pretty good shape, better shape than I thought it was for this year. You don't see too many in this good shape, especially a lot of times kids will be in it. But to me, it looks like what happens is probably it was an older couple that had it. It seemed to be really good shape. Doesn't seem like there's any kids or anything inside of it too. So what I would say, this would be actually pretty decent vehicle for the miles on it. So if you have any questions, you can call me again at 616-667-4538. And thank you very much.